guys, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how I broil egg. But why do I have to show you how to broil egg? It has to be something special. Yes, of course. I'm gonna use only 1 tablespoon of water. If you're interested, please stay tuned. I'm using an empty pot. This pot called ICook. I'm gonna boil 5 eggs. If you notice, you can see that I haven't turned on any heat yet. So the first egg, I'm gonna start with 7 minutes and add additional 1 minute for each egg you add. Then I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of clean water. Turn on medium heat like this. Use medium heat. Cover the lid and set the timer for 11 minutes.
Alexa, set timer for 11 minutes.
11 minutes, starting now.
After 7 minutes, the lid start to dance and shaking, so I spin it. I lower the heat to medium low until low or until the lid stop dancing. Now the pot turned into like vacuum or it's like a pressure cooker, so you can hear like the cooking sound inside the pot. Don't open the lid during the cooking, so wait until 11 minutes and we come back and see. Alexa said it's already 11 minutes, so we're gonna turn off the heat. I'm going to add cold water to stop the cooking process. The water in Washington is super cold. It's like the water right out of the refrigerator. Let's see how our eggs turn out. It's perfect. Thank you for watching. Please give me some love and some support by click like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.